Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you an amazing situation. It's the first gate in the US that installed in an alley, very narrow alley, where the owner of that building had an issue putting a gate over here. How he's going to put a gate on a 40-feet opening, such a narrow alley where you cannot put a swing gate or a sliding gate. And look at the solution we came up in here. We have two wings in here. Right, so this wing can open all the way, allowing a car to go through here and park in the garage, and vice versa. This wing in here can go to the right, and I'll show you in a minute, of course. And we'll have that part of the gate open, so that way they can go in and park in this parking spot. You don't really see any motors. Pay attention, there is no motors showing on any of the sides. Usually when you do situations like that, we used to do them where we used to install the motors on the top with chains. Very ugly kind of a situation, but we didn't have a choice. And now take a look at it and understand how it all works. So you can see this wing can go to the right, and we can have this wing going back, and the same thing we can do to the right wing. And it's amazing because what we basically did, we put the motors right in this post over here, so you don't really see the motors. Of course, there is also a photo cell for safety and all that good stuff. And it's a very gentle situation of a rack, so you don't see any chains and any kind of rust leaking off these chains, or any kind of dirt going on the floor. And let's have it closed. And as you can see now, both wings are opening to the right, which will allow to the left opening, driving and go ahead and park in here with no problems. And here we go, when the gate is fully open on one side, and again we'll let both wings go into the left now, allowing the right side to be open and a car can drive with no problem. So this is the first time in the US that a gate like that was installed, of course, by the Mulholland brand. We're doing a lot of beautiful gates and giving solutions to a lot of places that having an issue having a gate. And now you can also look at the finished product. This is an aluminum gate that is powder coated, a little bit of glass. See the finish work on it, how beautiful. You can see it's a lighter gate, so to lift a gate like that made out of iron, you need about 6 guys. And here about 2 guys can put it on a truck, bring it to a job site and work here and basically do the installation. And the solution that this gate is providing is unbelievable. The customer was thrilled over here. He was so happy. He wrote us an amazing review. He was basically thrilled because he called a lot of companies before and no one was able to give him a good solution over here. Imagine putting an overhead gate in here, what a mess it would have been. Or no other way. So here is a way. Here is a way to get it done beautifully, professionally, with nice finish, Beautiful design. And here we go, both wings will open now. Unbelievable. And again, look at how narrow this alley is. And what can you do? What kind of a solution? So goes perfect with this contemporary little building. Looks great. Adding value to the property, peace of mind, of course, to the owner of the building. And everything, you know, when the gate is closing, it's all getting cased over here beautifully. We do amazing tandem gates that also chainless. So moving with times, moving with technology, doing things more modern, more effective, and definitely more practical. So give us a call when you need our help. We're at 1-800-562-5770. My name is Avi Ben David from the Mulholland brand, doing gates, fences, railings, pergolas, and outdoor products that simplify life, makes it more beautiful, increase value, protect your kids, protect your animals, and helping your tenants, all under one roof. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful weekend.